Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm playing my classic happy planner for the last full week of September. Is that right? Is it a full week? Just barely. So we shall do that. And if you are new here, this is a layout that I just made for myself so that I would have all the things that I need on one page. Although I say need, I don't think I've done that cleaning section for a while, but that's okay. We don't need a clean house. So mostly homeschooling section, we write like what we're doing, and then I just decorate it. And also this month I printed it off and hole punched the wrong side, so we're got some weird order to the week. So we go like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we'll go ahead and do Sunday and Monday of next week just because that's the last of September. And then I shall print off October before I see you guys next time, hopefully, and just do a shorter week next week. So lucky you guys watching this video and not next week's. But come back and watch that one, please. Subscribe, like, notification bell, comment, all the things. I am so grateful when you guys do that. And yeah, let's get started. You notice I used a different thing to use my flat. I just needed a flat edge to like be able to cut it. I really like this like cut look, but I was just cutting the edge of this because it's not, I don't know, super plasticky. It's whatever that material is that's meant to like absorb the cut, because it's supposed to go under the thing, but it was not working, so I just changed it to a different straight edge. Okay, this was like a super cool sticker book. I think it came from Walmart. It was one that they had once upon a time. So yeah, that's how it turned out. If you liked it, then I guess cool. If you I can't talk anymore, guys. But comment if these stickers are weird for you. I can't decide, but I feel like I like the color, but they're not exactly the same, and it's kind of clashing a little bit. But also, why that sticker book didn't have any more stickers that go with that? I don't know. Tuesday. Okay, that's that one. I use this Planner Basics sticker book, and I do not like this one as well. But it's done, so too bad. And let's do Wednesday next. Okay, I'm gonna pick one out of here and then some other ones from a different sticker book. Okay, oh, I forgot the Planner Basics one that I said I was gonna do, but I used the Books Are Magic sticker book. We are going to find one to use, maybe. I just want to use it up. I need to get rid of this sticker book. Okay, we literally used one sticker, but that's okay, because one sticker is at a time. Okay, this one is much better than Tuesdays. Now Thursday. That was a Brights Mega sticker book. I think I might try and use that one more time, actually. So Friday, here we go. Did you guys see that? Ooh, you see how good that came off? It was like super crooked, but like the whole thing came off. There was no paper stuck on that sticker. Amazing. How lucky am I? Okay, yeah, so I used the Bright sticker book again. We pulled out some flowers because I don't know if you've watched my channel a lot, but we don't have a lot of weeks without flowers because I love them and it's my planner. So, that was Friday. Let's flip it over and do Saturday. Right, yeah, that was this one. This was a Choose Happy, it was like for horizontal sticker books, but I don't have horizontal sticker book and I can still use it because I can do whatever I want in my planner. And I use Planner Basics. That's just gonna be in every spread. It's Saturday now and I only have 2 days left because we are doing the rest of September, but I am also going to stop mentioning Planner Basics, but it will be in those last 2 as well. And we'll look through Color Story. I don't know if I'll use it yet, but if there's some stickers that match my Planner Basics stickers, we'll use it again. And one more for September 30th. So I used the flower sticker book, and that was the flowers, and I just used that one sticker again, but that's okay. Those ones are kind of hard to use up anyway, so ooh, I need to hole punch that one. Yeah, comment down below which day was your favorite. We got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday number 2. And yeah, so I hope you liked the video, and I hope you come back next week. Thanks. Bye.